Good morning children. Today we will learn lesson 3, input and output devices. What is input device? What is output devices? First we have to understand what is input and what is output. Input means whatever information were entered into the computer. Okay, that is means input, and whatever the final result, that is output. But for input we have to need devices, or for giving information or entering data we need devices. So that devices is called input devices, and whatever the result is coming through the devices, it is called output devices. Okay, so let's go to learn about input and output devices. These are the pictures. You can write the name of the picture and what are the uses of this. Describe each part of the computer. You can write in your book with the pencil. Okay, now we will learn about what are the parts of a computer and what are the various categories of computers. Okay, so already we know what are the main parts of a computer, that is monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. These are the main parts of a computer, and other parts are scanner, printer and speaker. Okay, so these different parts of a computer have different functions. For that, with these parts of a computer we are categorize it. What are the parts of a computer? These parts of a computer we have to divide into 3 categories: input devices, output devices and storage devices. First we will learn about input devices. What are the input devices? Input devices means we use the devices to enter information, instruction or data in a computer are called output devices. Input devices. With these input devices, whatever the letter, data, word, numbers, whatever you are entering through the devices, that devices is called input devices. Some common input devices are described here. The common input devices are keyboard, mouse and microphone. Okay, first we will learn about keyboard. What is the function of keyboard? So first is, a keyboard contains many buttons called keys, and we press the keys to enter data into a computer in the form of letter, number, words and special symbols. So in a class 1 we already learned about what the keyboard, what are the buttons, and these buttons we known as keys. There are different kinds of buttons are there. One is letter keys, one is numeric keys, symbol keys are there, space bar. All these are the keys are in the keyboard, and these keyboards are using to enter information into the computer. That's why keyboard is one of the input devices. Got it? Then one more is mouse. Mouse is another input device. It is also known as pointing device. It allows us to enter data into a computer through pointing, clicking, dragging and dropping. In these four ways, the computer entering the data into the mouse is through this mouse, the data are entering with the pointing, clicking, dragging and dropping into the computer. Got it? Means mouse is one of the input device. Through this device the data can enter into the computer. There are 2 or 3 types of buttons, 2 or 3 buttons in the mouse. One left click, right click, scroll button. These are 3 buttons. Sometimes 2 buttons maybe it is there. Okay, that's why it is saying it has 2 or 3 buttons. And mouse helps to play games and draw pictures in a computer. Okay, through this mouse we can draw a picture or play games. Learn more. A mouse can be wireless also. Nowadays various kind of mouse is available in the market, and some are with the wire and some are wireless is also there. Okay, another input device is microphone. Through this microphone we can record our sound and voice in a computer. Whatever we want to record my sound, I want to record one song, so whatever, or record any voice, so through this microphone it can possible. It used to talk to friends or relatives using the internet. In the computer, with the help of microphone we can talk with our friends and relatives, like a video calls. With the computer also, with the help of microphone we can talk with our friends and relatives only when using the internet only. Okay, there are some other input devices are webcam, scanner and joystick. Okay, these are the another input devices. So children, today we will only learn about input devices. Next class we will discuss our output devices and storage device. So your task is you read the book and listen the video properly. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.